So we have our queen here. She's currently not dancing, but she will later because she's celebrating 10 years. So she's the best PA, physician assistant we've had and will ever have. And here's her beautiful 2 daughters. But we're so grateful to have Ashley here celebrating her 10-year anniversary.
It's been a great 10 years.
On 10 years.
I'm just overwhelmed with gratitude with everything that everyone has put into celebrating today. And just really reflecting back on the last 10 years here, and it's just been an amazing ride. It's been an amazing experience working with Dr. Mejia and all of our staff here, and just seeing how much we've grown over the years. The office has expanded, and I've just been very blessed to have learned as much as I have here, and I'm looking forward to many, many more years to come here at Jupiter Dermatology. So I want to say thank you to all of my staff that I work with, because I wouldn't be able to do it without all of you. Start crying. And my patients, which are my whole world. You know, that's why I'm here. I'm just so passionate about taking care of people, and it's not very often that you wake up in the morning and you're excited to go to work, and I've had the blessing of being able to say that every morning for the last 10 years. So looking forward to many more years here. Thank you to everybody who's been a part of my career here.
Happy anniversary to you.
Many more.
Love you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi, beautiful.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you. You better be here for 10 more. 'Cause I'm gonna be here for 10 more.